Pretoria High Court orders Standard Bank to remove Jabulani Khumalo as Umkhonto weSizwe Party bank signatory. In a significant legal victory, the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria has ordered Standard Bank to remove Jabulani Khumalo and expelled a member of Umkhonto weSizwe Party as a signatory from the party's bank account. The court's ruling also mandated Khumalo to bear the full cost of the legal application brought against him by the party. The ruling, handed down on September 17, followed an unsuccessful attempt to Khumalo by the day before to file an application for leave to appeal, seeking to maintain his position as one of the account signatories. In its judgment, the court expressed clear disapproval of Khumalo's action, noting that the bank account in question was the property of Umkhonto weSizwe Party and Khumalo had no personal entitlement to the funds held therein. These funds had been secured through donations and allocations under the Political Party Funding Act of 2018. The court ruling said the first respondent's late filing for his answering affidavit is condoned. It further directed Standard Bank to promptly remove Khumalo and two other individuals as signatories from the account. In addition, Khumalo was ordered to cover the legal costs, which were to be calculated on the high-end attorney and client, including fees for two counsels. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party, through spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela, welcomed the party's decision. Ndlela stated that this is yet another in a series of court victories for Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Referencing previous legal challenges the party has faced over the past 6 months, Ndlela highlighted earlier victories, including the ANC's failed attempt to challenge the registration of Umkhonto weSizwe Party in the Electoral Court and a trademark dispute in the Durban High Court. Ndlela further accused Khumalo of aligning himself with well-funded advisories of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, insinuating that his ongoing legal challenges were being bankrolled by external entities, and said it is clear that Khumalo is being funded by enemies of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and added that the punitive cost orders collected by Khumalo in the course of his legal battles indirectly benefit the party as they continue to build their organization. The MK Party also released a media statement that said, MK Party statement on the court victory against the expelled Jabulani Khumalo and his handlers. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party welcomes the ruling of the Pretoria High Court in favor of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party against former member Jabulani Khumalo, ordering him to pay punitive costs to the MK Party. This follows a series of related court victories by the MK Party against its many detractors in the past 6 months. It started with the ANC of Ramaphosa's failed double challenge to the registration of the MK Party in the Electoral Court and the abortive trademark challenge in the Durban High Court. Next was a series of unsuccessful bids by Khumalo and other expelled members, first in the Electoral Court, then in the Western Cape High Court, and now at the Pretoria High Court. This time, Khumalo wanted to hang on to being a signatory to the MK Party bank account under the pretext that his expulsion is on appeal. This is false because his ill-fated appeal relates only to the issue of the face of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party on the ballot paper, which has been long overtaken by events. The reasons for the judgment accompany this statement. It is clear that Khumalo is well funded by enemies of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. He continues to collect punitive costs, and we welcome any direct ANC donations to the coffers as we build the organization. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party will continue to defeat the sellout ANC of Ramaphosa and its planted agents, both in the courts and on the ground, until the land and the economy are returned to their rightful owners, the African majority. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.